Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Coin Expert. Today I just wanted to, like I said in my last video, I wanted to let you guys know, I wanted to inform you guys, better yet, how to build yourself from the bottom when it comes to collecting coins and to collecting numismatics, exonumia, which if you guys don't know is metals, anything really outside of coins that is still close to a coin, so challenge coins, just different metals, different, really any type of metals, any types of that stuff. So today I wanted to let you guys know how you can build yourself from $5 to a bunch of money, just based off of one little tip. So say you guys have with you a $5 bill, and I've heard a lot of people say, hey Bryson, I have $10, I have $5, I have $20, what do I do? I can't go and buy a bunch of silver right now, because I only have, like I said, $20, which when silver goes back to normal right now, it jumped up to $24 with this whole Corona thing, but when silver goes back down around stable, $20, you're not going to be able to get a Silver Eagle for $20 when it's spots $20 unless you guys find a motivated seller that needs the cash, and that is not, like I said, in my experience, what the people with a little bit of money want to do. They want to get going, they want to do it now. So my suggestion, and again these are just completely my preferences, and that's totally okay with me. You guys can have your own ideas and opinions. So to start off, we're going to go through what can I get with $5. Now $5, you can get all different sorts of stuff. Just for example, $5, right? You can buy a couple rolls of wheat cents. This stuff is really the starting point of numismatics. This is what gets the most collectors the most excited when they're starting, usually as a young boy or girl. And really even as adults too. They just start out and they find wheat cents, they find out about wheat cents, and that is what gets them really excited. So, you can't see it too well, that is a wheat cent in case you were wondering. So this is a roll of 50 of them. You can buy them on a good day for $3, which is about 6 cents a piece. You can buy them for that cheap. Sometimes you can even buy them for around 2 cents or even 1.5 cents per roll. That's usually not going to be from people that have like sentimental value to it, so never buy coins from people that have sentimental value to their coins, which sentimental value really means that they want to hold on to the coins enough that they're going to charge you more than the coin's actually worth. So another thing you can buy with $5 is you can buy a couple junk silver dimes. So these dimes are really great. They're really the basis. They're the most fractional of the fractional silver, and so they're really great. Another thing you can buy is you can buy, say, a silver quarter and a war nickel. Now, the silver quarter is 90% silver, along with the dimes. Those are also 90% silver. And then this silver war nickel is 35% silver. So you can buy this with $5 pretty easily. Just go to your local coin shop. Again, I'm saying once silver goes down, if you guys are watching this video anytime soon, within the next couple months really, silver is probably still going to be pretty high, but this is really meant for the future, and even then, you guys can still buy 2 Mercury dimes, 2 Roosevelt dimes pretty easily with $5 right now, if you can locate the silver. It's really pretty hard to locate silver, that's why the price is pretty driven up. You can buy quite a bit. Another thing you could probably buy, this is just kind of novelty. Really, you could just throw this in on either one. I just saw this next to me. It's 1 ounce, or 1 gram silver bar. Just thought I'd show you guys this. This is kind of cool. It's a Canadian maple 1 ounce, I keep saying 1 ounce, 1 gram silver bar. And so I thought those are kind of cool. I have a ton of those. Somehow one of them sneaked into the bag that I'm getting my stuff out of right now. But all that to say, you can buy all that stuff with $5. Now, you can go and turn around. No, I'm not saying you can buy all that stuff with $5. You can buy each one of those individually with $5. You can buy the 3 silver dimes, a couple rolls of wheat cents, all that stuff. Then you could turn around and sell that for more than $5. Say you turned around and sold, say you bought 5 roll, or let's just say you bought 4 rolls of wheat cents. On a good day, you found some person that just really does not want them anymore. Let's even say you bought 3. You can sell that really easily. You can sell weed cents really easily. Really, honestly, to really any person, you could sell them for really like 8 cents each-ish. You can really sell them for that much. I know it's kind of hard to believe, and some people pay way more than that. Now, I'm not recommending scamming people out of their money. Do not take me wrong. That's not what I'm recommending here at all. But you can easily sell that $5 worth of wheat cents, say for $10. Say you bought them for 4 cents a roll, and I'm not doing math on a calculator back here. I have no idea if that all adds up. Say you bought them for 4 cents a roll, sold them for 8 cents a roll. You could make money off that. And so now, you say you wanted to buy more wheat cents. If you find the same seller or somebody who's selling similar to that, you just turn around, and it's really just, you start from nothing and you can end up with so much. So let's just say you made it to $20 now. Congratulations, you've made it to $20. What can you buy with $20? Now, I'm only really going to give one example because you could substitute this out for really any silver you would like. A lot of you guys are going to like this. Right here, I have 12 or 13 silver dimes. Now, these silver dimes, just junk silver dimes, got 1 Barber in there. That's a pretty slick coin. Actually, I have 2. Rod of Mercury's, couple Roosevelts. Those dimes, again, the fractional of the fractional, the most fractional of the fractional. You can buy all of those, and you can turn around and sell them pretty easily. Those go pretty fast, even when silver is not at a super high demand. A lot of dealers will have a bunch of them, a bunch of them, and you can sell them for a little bit of a premium if you buy them right around spot. Not a ton of a premium, but again, you can keep doing that, keep building up your cash. Okay, so let's say you made it to $40. Congratulations, you made it to $40. Like I said, so what can you buy with $40? Well, now you've doubled your money, and you now have enough money to buy that Silver Eagle you really, really wanted. Now, this is not the only thing you can get with $40. Again, this is when silver goes back down to its regular price, really around 20 bucks. You can buy that $22, $23-ish, just depending on the year. I do recommend, that is definitely, I recommend, I might even make a whole video about this. The new year of Silver Eagles is the big fire. Like, everybody wants the new year. The year before, so say this is, I think that one's 2019 if I'm correct. The year before 2019, as it's 2020 obviously, 2019 is a great coin to buy in 2020. And in 2021, 2020 will be a great coin to buy that year because they go down so much, because there's nobody, like, yes, people want them, but it's not as big of a deal. The 2020 is the new year coin. Great, everybody's happy. But I do not recommend buying the coins from a while ago. So, like, say you wanted to buy a 2012 coin, that coin's probably going to have a pretty big premium to it if it's in a pretty nice condition. So, like I said, get that coin, say 23 bucks. You can go and you can buy a Walking Liberty half. Now, these coins, also very beautiful coins. This is just a basic one. It's kind of slick. Got some skirt lines still. That's a cool coin. So you can still go and buy that, and you can still buy more. So that's, say, $31, $30, just depending on the seller. You can still go and you could pick up probably around 5 silver dimes. So that, you turned a couple rolls of wheat cents into all of this. And we're not even done. I'm probably not going to keep going into it in the video, but eventually you can get up to $60, $80, $100, and the capital just keeps building from there. So you guys can do all of this, and it is no cost, pretty much. You start with very little. That's what I did on a little bit of a bigger scale. I think I started probably around $40, and I built it to all my collection and stack today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out my other videos, and also make sure to subscribe. And as always, good luck and happy collecting. Okay guys, so at the end of this video, while I'm editing this video like 5 minutes ago, I realized that I did something a little bit weird. So if you guys, the first people that go back in the video and figure out the thing that should not have been in it, it's nothing inappropriate or bad or anything, it's just something that I completely messed up on, and so I think that you guys should get something. We're waiting till the end of the video, and so I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys what you guys get for the first person. Not everybody gets it. For the first person to comment in the comments of what is a little bit peculiar about the early part of this video. So, see you in a second. Here we go. Okay guys, so I'm back. And it's nothing much because this is not like a crazy thing. I just decided to do this right now. The first person to comment below in the comments what was kind of weird about the video will win a silver mercury dime, shipping included, so just free. And then I need you guys to email me right there and tell me what your guys' email is after I confirm that you guys are the first commenter. So hope you guys see this video first, and see you next time.